Welcome back to Top Moments TV today. Get ready because we are taking you on some intense moments and tech adventures that are not for the faint of heart. Dangerous situations await just ahead. Fasten your seatbelts and jump in. Soviet all-wheel drive military trucks in action. Experience the raw power and durability of legendary military trucks as they take on the ultimate challenge, logging in extreme off-road conditions. Witness iconic models like *GMC, FAP 1314 Kraz and Ural dominate rugged terrain, hauling large logs and easily overcoming obstacles. The Gaz off-road diesel beast dominates the harsh muddy terrain. Unleash Soviet power in action. This version adds more intensity and drama, highlighting the power of the truck and the ruggedness of the terrain. A powerful Scania Timbertruck, going downhill with a huge load, creating a spectacular scene in the middle of the wild. The roar of the engine mixed with the sound of the wind whistling through the body of the vehicle. Rayo 3-wheel drive accelerates to bring Acacia Wood home for Tet, eye-catching acceleration. The journey to bring Acacia Wood home for Tet becomes more dramatic than ever with the powerful Rayo 3-wheel drive. The roar of the engine echoes through the mountains and forests. Each wheel rotation leaves its mark on the bumpy red dirt road. The moment the driver steps on the gas, the car rushes like a beast, overcoming all obstacles with incredible power.
Rất chi là nguy hiểm.
The giant trolley carrying heavy logs overturned dangerously. The image of a giant trolley carrying heavy logs on a narrow mountain road suddenly lost its balance and overturned, creating a scene that was both terrifying and thought-provoking. The sound of wood hitting the ground violently, dust flying everywhere, mixed with the loud sound of metal colliding. Logging truck overturns in breathtaking accident. Imagine the thunderous roar of a loaded log truck losing balance on a narrow mountain road. Towering logs sway violently as the truck tilts, tires screeching on gravel. In an instant, the giant vehicle flips over, sending logs crashing down like a landslide. Unstoppable off-road beasts. 6x6 Unimog, 8x8 man, 8x8 Mercedes dominate the truck rally. Voitsburg-Zangtal 2024. Witness the raw power and technical excellence of the off-road giants in action. The legendary 6x6 Unimog, the powerful 8x8 man and the mighty 8x8 Mercedes conquer the harsh terrain of Voitsburg-Zangtal in the 2024 truck rally. Accidents, dangers and emotions. Adrenaline on the road. Get ready for a journey full of excitement and tension. Here, you will closely follow the challenges that people have to face on this stretch of road, with breathtaking views, daring moves and the power of the giants on the road in extreme situations. The giant Rory Balak is weaving through the bumpy roads of the deep forests of Sarawak, carrying huge logs on the truck bed, under the sunlight filtering through the canopy. The power of the giant machine combined with the skillful driving of the driver creates an impressive scene. The large wheels crush the dirt road. The sound of the engine echoes throughout the mountains and forests, blending with the majesty of wild nature. Rajd Rally Breslau 2024. Zagan Extreme Biali Blota is a tough race, where powerful trucks and motorcycles overcome challenging terrain. Races will face swampy swamps, rough roads and harsh challenges of nature, with trucks crossing difficult areas, and motorcycles clinging to every muddy trail. This race is not only a test of endurance but also a show of drama and deception. The acacia wood truck got stuck in the mud, unable to get through the tricky bend. The scene was tense as the truck, laden with acacia wood, seemed to be stuck in the mud, unable to move even a little. A dramatic and harrowing incident unfolded when a borewell machine, in a moment of chaos, was pulled off a bridge by an escort hydra. The machine, with its immense weight and power, suddenly jumped from the bridge, plunging into the unknown below. The plow, with its overwhelming power, struggled to move on the muddy road, where the soft soil seemed to swallow the wheels. Traces of plowing remained on the ground, but it could not go any further. The road was completely damaged. Forced to turn back, the plow backed up, carrying the weight of defeat, but also showing resilience in the fight against harsh nature. For the sake of convenience, the diary is recorded. It is convenient and convenient to use. If you find a log that is not recorded, you can use it to do the work. If you have a truck machine, you can use it to do the work. You can do it by using it. Make it worse when the air becomes more popular. It can help you get more time for your business. Imagine the vast, rugged beauty of Bat Lake, Alberta, where the morning mist gently dissolves to reveal towering trees that have stood for centuries. The air is crisp and fresh, filled with the scent of pine and the promise of adventure. As the sun begins to rise, its golden light casts long shadows across the forest floor, creating a breathtakingly peaceful scene. Nissan TZA 520 sang Legenda, a symbol of strength and durability. This car is not only a means of transportation but also a mechanical work of art. With a strong, stylish design, Nissan TZA 520 carries the perfect combination of advanced technology and excellent performance. A thrilling off-road adventure with the mighty Tatra 813 8x8. With its outstanding engine power and ability to move across any terrain, this vehicle proves its durability and resilience in the face of extreme challenges. Watch the daring driving stunts where the Tatra 813 8x8 demonstrates its ability to overcome bumpy, muddy and steep roads, providing an unforgettable experience. The timber truck drivers, with great courage and skill, are facing the harsh challenge of carrying timber up the steep slopes of the forest. The huge trucks, with heavy loads of timber on their beds, slowly climb the hillsides, each wheel cutting through the slippery soil and rocks. Every tight turn, every steep slope is a test of the driver's skill, as they must keep a steady grip on the steering wheel. When the car got stuck in the mud, the driver showed great handling skills, as if he had faced countless challenges before. Every move he made was precise, delicate, not panicked but full of confidence. With each turn of the wheel, he seemed to understand every reaction of the car, perfectly adjusting the speed and traction to escape the dangerous situation. A powerful truck is crossing a vast river. The wheels rolling on the turbulent water. Mud and waves splashing. The water reflects the sunlight, creating a dramatic scene as the truck bravely overcomes the challenges of nature. Deep mud and steep slopes. With its superior power, the 17TT-4 continually demonstrates its superior capabilities when pulling the KAMAZ 4310 out of difficult situations. Every movement of the machine is a symbol of strength and engineering, taking the viewer on a dramatic and eye-catching journey, where mechanical power is perfectly combined with resilience to overcome all challenges. In the silence of the forest, the powerful Tatra tractor glides like a mechanical monster, gliding through the narrow and rugged trails. The roar of the engine echoes among the ancient trees, as it effortlessly pulls huge logs, creating a scene that is both majestic and challenging. Tatra 813 Off-Road V12 Pure Sound is a special car, delivering a powerful sound from the V12 engine, creating an unforgettable experience. With its distinctive off-road design, this car not only conquers all difficult terrains but also makes the listener vibrate with the distinctive sound of the engine. A powerful hydraulic excavator is diligently cleaning a pond, with each precise shove, dragging along layers of mud and entangled weeds. The excavator moves flexibly, its long arms reaching out like a warrior fighting against nature, cleaning the water surface, returning a clean space to the pond.
पीछे चढ़ गया पन्ना छोटा भाई टाली को
Only experienced drivers and steady hands can overcome this challenge. The steep and dangerous roads are not for the faint-hearted. Only real drivers are enough to
macchina
A powerful 6-cylinder vehicle, loaded with acacia wood, rushing on muddy, slippery, and challenging roads. Every turn of the steering wheel is a battle with dangerous roads, where muddy ground and sharp bends always threaten. With the superior power of the engine, the vehicle still steadfastly passes, carrying the heavy wood, proving the durability and skillful control of the driver in harsh conditions. Horrifying. Chain suddenly breaks while trying to winch truck uphill. Dramatic scene, asterisk. In a tense moment, when the truck was struggling to climb the steep slope, suddenly, the anti-slip chain suddenly broke, creating a dangerous situation. The heart-stopping feeling when the vehicle almost lost control. And in just a split second, everything could have ended in a completely different way. The tension and determination of the driver in that moment was truly amazing. The powerful 4x4 drivetrain combines with the powerful Nissan V10 diesel engine to deliver a powerhouse of performance and durability. This dynamic combination delivers unrivaled off-road capability, taking on difficult terrain with precision and power. The V10 engine delivers exceptional torque and reliability, ensuring smooth handling even in the most challenging environments. Imagine a powerhouse on wheels. A 4x4 dual clutch system combined with the raw power of a Nissan V10 diesel engine. This beast of a machine combines unparalleled off-road capability with the relentless power of a turbocharged V10 engine, ensuring no terrain is too difficult to conquer. Thank you for joining us in this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.